Okay, Zach has his working drawing for assembled and exploded view ready to print. So he's got his assembled view in isometric, his exploded view with trail lines in isometric. The scale of the assembled is 1:1. He's got that identified right there. And the scale of the exploded view is 1:2. So everything fits, it's got nice even spacing. Next step is to download it as a PDF. So we're gonna go up to the output, choose output PDF, send it full send to our desktop. You don't have to click open PDF. Line weights is fine. Click OK. Asks you where to go. That'll work. Desktop save. Now we go to Chrome, Google Chrome, and we're going to open up our Google Drive. You can click on that grid right up there, the 9 square. Boom, 9 square. Bam. Go to Drive. If we've got organization in here, we can use that, like put it into an IED folder. If not, you got some folders. You want to make one for IED? Do it. New folder. IED. Boom. Double click into that folder. Okay, and now we want to drag it from our desktop into this window. You see it? Boom. And it'll copy up to Google Drive. Now it's a little bit of a workaround, but they do this intentionally. You have to go up to the library and log into the computer next to the color printer on Google Drive, and then download it on that PC computer and print it from there. Kind of a pain, but yeah, but it keeps you from just sending it to the wrong printer from here. So that's the process for printing a color print, which, oh, Cami took hers back, which looks a lot better than black and white.